Hi, welcome to ALL4 Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dom. Today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this lovely Mini Countryman Cooper. Now this is a 2021 on a 21 plate, massive spec car, so you get the full John Cooper Works body kit. John Cooper Works, that's your full fat sport model, but it's wrapped in this lovely economical 1.5 petrol automatic 4-wheel drive. Finished in Moonstone Grey, which is one of the best colours for these cars. Lots of gloss black detailing all throughout the car. So centre grille, headlamp mouldings, even all the badgings in the gloss black as well. Now on these John Cooper Works editions, you get the lovely sportier wheels. So these are 19-inch 5 twin spokes, finished in gloss black, lovely diamond turned outer edge on that. Again, lots of gloss black detailing, contrasting roof, aluminium roof bars, contrasting mirror grab handles with your keyless entry. Coming through to the back then, you've got the new signature Union Jack brake tail lamps, more gloss black detailing, nice lower diffuser, loads of luggage space in these as well, fantastic for that. Obviously, Mini Countrymans, they're the biggest minis in the range. Now, poking our heads inside, you get the John Cooper Works seats as well. So lovely bucket seats, John Cooper Works embossed. You get the little badge there in the headrests. Nice supportive bolsters, nice supportive seat base. John Cooper Works kick plates, John Cooper Works steering wheel, all the lovely red detailing inside. And then you get absolutely all the specification on them. Cruise control, speed limiter, automatic lights, wipers, as you'd expect on a car of this caliber. Then you get satellite navigation, full phone connectivity, heated seats, heated front screen, sport modes. The list just goes on and on. This is just a one owner car from new, both keys, lovely service history, never been smoked in, condition wise, absolutely superb. If you're after one of these, you'll struggle to find a nicer one. So, give us a call, 01942 231 123, or send us an email at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. Thanks for watching.